Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and this is my weekly reminder that we, Walter and I, will be live today for our weekly broadcast at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's Sunday, May the 3rd, or as I like to say, the 52nd day of our captivity. So, what's the topic today? Well, we thought we'd take a look at whether or not we should get back to normal now, meaning our government and governments around the world are talking about opening up businesses again. What's that going to look like? Is it too soon? How will our shopping experience change once we do get businesses open? I'm sure everybody's feeling a little cabin fever and would like to get out there, but is it too soon? So that's what we thought we'd talk about today, along with a whole bunch of the other usual general chit-chat kind of things. So I hope you can join us today, Sunday, May the 3rd, had to think about it, now we're into a new month, May the 3rd at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.